Hi everyone, welcome to Resolutions. Today we are going to print Christmas tree in Python with just one line. So first, this is the terminal that we have opened. We are going to type Python. You need to have Python installed in this. Next, we are, this is the code. So I'll just quickly explain the code bit by bit. So this part, the loop part, iterates over value of I from 0 to 5 inclusive. It represents the height of the Christmas tree. Now, this string is a string expression that concatenates two parts. So the first part creates a string of spaces where the number of space is decreasing as the I increases. Okay, it helps to position the asterisk character to form a pyramid shape. Next, the second part creates a string of characters where number of characters is increasing as I increases. It forms the body of Christmas tree. Now, and as you can see, there are square brackets here. So this is a list comprehension, which creates a list of strings for each line of the Christmas tree based on the value of I. At last, we have used the join function. This joins the list of strings into a single string, where each string in the list is separated by a new line character. And we have the print function that's going to finally print the string in the console, creating the Christmas pattern. So let's press enter. As we can see, we have a beautiful Christmas tree here. We are going to, just change this value to 9. So as we can see, we did not change the value of um, the spaces at the start. So to change this, we need to make sure that this value is close to the closer to the height of the tree so that the Christmas tree can have enough spaces to form. So that's it for today. Please let me know how did you like the video and try this code and let me know. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.